Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Kekuk Tech, your go-to channel for the latest in jailbreaking news and tech updates. I'm your host, and today we've got some exciting news for you. We're diving deep into the world of iOS jailbreaking, specifically focusing on the KFD exploit, which has been making waves in the jailbreak community. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get into it. So, what's all the buzz about? Well, as you may have heard, the KFD, kernel file descriptor, exploit was released as open source by the talented developer Felix PB, and it's been causing quite a stir. This exploit has become the talk of the town in the jailbreak community, and we're about to find out why. This exploit has paved the way for several applications like Misaka Package Manager, Cluckabunga, Picasso Beta, and many others to work seamlessly on iOS 15.0 up to iOS 16.5, including iOS 16.6 Beta 1. It's like a breath of fresh air for those who love tweaking their devices. But here's the catch: achieving a full jailbreak isn't a walk in the park. You see, while the KFD exploit is a game changer and provides a crucial component for jailbreaking newer devices, we're talking A12 and above, present additional challenges with PAC and PPL security mechanisms. So, is KFD useful for a jailbreak on these devices? Let's find out. The KFD project and its bundled exploits have the potential to be the biggest release of 2023 in the jailbreak community. It's the first proper kernel exploit for iOS 16, and it covers a vast iOS 16 range, making it incredibly powerful for the end user. But here's the exciting part: KFD isn't limited to just iOS 16 and 15. The community has worked their magic to make this exploit work even on iOS 14. That's right, folks, it's not just about the latest and greatest, it's about the entire ecosystem. Now, for those of you who are itching to keep track of all the KFD exploit developments, there's a status page and timeline available. It's a one-stop shop for all the progress and releases related to KFD in the world of jailbreaking. Make sure to check it out. But wait, there's more. On August 22nd, the official Taurine Jailbreak website got a makeover, adding support for iOS 14.4 to 14.8.1 for A10X and lower, as well as support for iOS 14.5 to 14.8.1 on A11. Thanks to the KFD exploit, we finally have an iOS 14.8.1 jailbreak. How awesome is that? Now, let's talk about some of the brilliant minds in the jailbreaking scene. Developer at WH1Tay4Ever is working tirelessly on various tools and methods to perform jailbreak tasks with KFD in their open source playground repo called Fun with KFD. This repo is a treasure trove of innovative applications and techniques made possible with KFD, from McDirty Cow implementations to sandbox escapes and much more. But what's even more exciting is the recent demonstration by developer at Bomberfish77 on Twitter. They showcased accessing and browsing/var, the iOS mobile/user partition, using the KFD exploit. This implies a sandbox escape was achieved, a crucial step in the jailbreaking process. And as we know, having access to the files in/var unlocks the potential for even more powerful tweaks and applications. The video demonstration is available on Twitter, and we've included the link in the description below. It's clear that the jailbreak community is hard at work, putting the KFD exploit to good use. While we might still have some time to wait for a full iOS 15.0 to 16.5 jailbreak, especially for A12 plus devices, all the necessary pieces are falling into place. In summary, the KFD exploit has opened up a world of possibilities for jailbreak enthusiasts. It's breathed new life into the scene, allowing developers to tackle the challenges posed by iOS 15 and iOS 16 security measures. We're seeing a surge in creativity, with new developers taking KFD and crafting amazing apps and tweaks. The future of jailbreaking looks promising, and we can't wait to see what's in store. That's it for today's episode, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts. And as always, stay tuned to Kekuk Tech for the latest jailbreak news and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.